Hi everyone, my name is Shayna from WTI, and you can say goodbye to smudges and fingerprints on your screens with this portable mini screen cleaner.
This little wonderful tool is a portable mini screen cleaner spray bottle by ZERNBER, and I absolutely love it. I can't count how many times I've been out and about and I've had greasy, smudgy phone screen and I needed to clean it, but I didn't have anything to clean it with. Now I have this tool that's a 2-in-1. You can put whatever non-harsh cleaning solution that's good for screens or even plain water in the spray bottle and spritz and wipe. It's perfect for phones, tablets, laptops. I do love that it comes with a protective case, so no accidental spritzes, and it protects the outer layer, which is a microfiber. And I do love that it can be washed under some warm water and laid out to dry.
I really love that I'm able to keep all of my electronic screens clean, and it's so convenient to carry, and that's my point of view.